So what we just saw back there, I actually set that up on purpose. You guys have seen my other videos. You know that I talk about how if we don't have lockers, our four-wheel drive is effectively only a two-wheel drive. Now what we just saw back there was I had lifted or took the weight off of one front and one rear tire, and what you could see was those tires that had no traction, that's where the power goes. It always takes the path of least resistance. So what I did at the end was I turned on my ARB Air Lockers. Now that locks the left and right axle shafts together so they can't turn independently, and then I was able to crawl through the obstacle. Now there's other ways to do this, they're just not quite as effective. A lot of people like momentum, so you could come at it a little bit harder and hopefully bounce through that section, but by the same token, we're beating up our rig a little bit, and you know, frankly, we're tearing up the earth if we're spinning our tires, and we're gonna make it harder for the next guy. Another way to do it is if you have a vehicle that, like we have a Toyota with us that we're gonna do, and it's got A-track. It will actually try to apply the brakes to slow down the slipping wheel and keep us with forward motion. And that's reasonably effective. Not the same as a locker, but it's getting closer. The other thing you can do is brake pedal modulation. So when you get up and you lift that tire and you start to spin, you can take your left foot and you can start to apply it a little bit on the brakes. Now what that's going to do is it's going to put some resistance on that tire if it's lifted up into the air. When we do that, it's going to transfer the power to the other side. Again, nowhere near as effective as lockers, but it could help get you through a tough spot.